and welcome to Avery Gregory's Science Experiments for Fun. Today we're going to be testing air resistance and gravity, or the force of gravity. So the supplies you'll be needing is a rock, a flat piece of paper, a crumbled up piece of paper, and a ladder. Make sure to have adult supervision and a sibling or a friend helping you hold the ladder. So let's get started. The force of gravity, my hypothesis that the force of gravity will always win versus the force of gravity will probably not win if it's a crumbled piece of paper versus a rock. So now we're going to test the hypothesis versus a crumbled piece of paper or rock. My hypothesis was that the rock will beat the crumbled piece of paper. Let's find out. They hit exactly the same time. So now that we know that the force of gravity can pull down two different things between weight and size, and that they can pull down those objects at the same time. So now we're going to see a piece of paper and a crumbled rock versus a piece of paper. So do that. My hypothesis was that the crumbled piece of paper would probably win because pieces of paper, when you try to throw them, they normally float with the air and the air resistance. So let's see what happens. They hit at different times. So my hypothesis was correct. Now I have to test the piece of paper and the actual rock. So let's test that. Again, make sure you have adult supervision and someone holding the ladder. My hypothesis was the rock is probably going to win because the piece of paper will normally float. They still got down different times. Now, my hypothesis was right on that one and wrong on the first one. So now that I know that my hypothesis was wrong on the first one, right on the two others, now I need to go write my research that I found out down, and that's all for today. Have a nice day.